When people say website, they are actually talking about two pretty different things. Some websites just tell you something. Others let you actually do something. Let's break down that difference. A static website is like a digital brochure. Think of a local restaurant site. It shows the menu, the hours, the address. Every single visitor sees exactly the same thing or the same page. It's built with HTML and CSS, and it doesn't change based on who is looking. A web application is different. It's interactive and personalized. Think about Netflix or Airbnb. What you see is pulled from a database and shaped around you. Your history, your searches, your account. No two people see quite the same thing. Side by side, the difference is clear. A static site shows the same content to everyone with little to no interaction. A web app pulls from a database and responds to you personally. Logins, saved preferences, real-time updates. Here's a quick gut check. Can you log in? Does the content change depending on who is visiting? Does it seem to remember you? If the answer is yes, you are most likely looking at a web application, not a static site. Understanding this distinction matters because it shapes what you build and how. Static sites are a fantastic, simpler starting point. Web applications are more complex but incredibly powerful. As you'll see, both are valuable skills on the path ahead. Whether you are building something simple like a restaurant site or something powerful like a full web application, it all comes down to the same core technologies. Next, we'll open up the toolbox and look at the languages behind it all.